So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit Shopify header. So the first thing you want to do is go to shopify.com. So once you're here, you'll see a layout similar to this one. You can see home, discounts, content, markets, analytics, online store. You can add apps and stuff like that. So if you go to online store and then go to themes, it will just take a second. You can see something similar to this. So you can see current theme is done. So if you click on customize, once you've clicked on customize, you can see a layout similar to this one, and you can see options like the home page, and you can see the header right here. So if you click on the header, it will open up some of the options for you to customize the header. So you can see more highlighted how it will look like. So you can see welcome to our store. And from there, you can just customize it to see how it would look once you open up the website yourself. Through here, you can customize by clicking on the header. From there, you can see logo position, mobile logo, center or left, menu, menu type, the colors. If you want to add something to it, like spacing, padding, custom CSS, you can even go to theme settings for the header itself. You can see you can add Twitter or X, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and other social media. And you can see there's quite a lot of things that you can customize on the header page. So you can see it's going to look something like this. You can also go to theme settings after that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.